Destroying Windows 11 in 2 minutes, and here is why. First of all, Windows 11 doesn't even let you install it on any system. It says you must have TPM2, you must have this one, you must have that one. Come on, Microsoft, I'm just trying to use a laptop, not launch a spaceship.
12, 11.
They moved the start menu to the center, so what? The icons rounder, so what? They gave a bunch of visual tweaks just to say, look, we're different. But the bugs, the same old bugs are still here. Windows 11 honestly feels like a beta version. You try to run games, boom, crash. You open some apps, they don't even launch. The taskbar randomly disappears like it's mad at you. It's like the Microsoft said, let's give it to the public now, we'll fix it later. The funny part, a lot of people say it's even slower than Windows 10. I got 24 gigs of RAM, and Windows 11 it's like I'm rendering GTA 6 in real time. Then it says not enough resources. No bro, you are the problem, not my PC. And here's the best part, if you don't have internet connection, you can't even install it. They literally force you to sign in with Microsoft account. Like, dude, I paid for Windows, why are you making me join your social network first? So yeah guys, Windows 11 is a weird mix. Looks fancy, but inside it's still full of bugs. On the outside it says I'm modern, but deep down it's the same old annoying Windows. That's why I say Windows 11 sucks. And if you like the video, make subscribe to the channel and push the subscribe button. That really means a lot. Thank you.